Today I have a quick Illustrator tutorial for you that involves sizing up a die line. So for example, this die line I received from a printer is not 100% scale. This should be 2 and 9/16, and it's not. So what I do is I select just the width of the die. And I scale this up from one corner, so the width should be 2.875. Oops, should be 25.875. I group that Apple G, and then I select whatever is remaining. That should be 12 3/4. So I select the opposite corner and go 12.75. Group that. And then I make whatever adjustments I need to make to get this aligned properly. Adjust the artboard. Double check. This method has worked pretty well for me, so. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like if you got something out of this video. Please subscribe to see more tips.